Related rate. Example 2. A manufacturer of precision digital switches has daily cost C and a revenue R. They're both a function of X, okay, where X is the daily production. So how many switches per day? The production is increasing at a rate of 60 switches per day. So what is talking about? Okay, what is this rate? So that rate, d over dt, so what rate is that? It's a rate of switches. So switches is x in this case, so it's counting how many switches. So dx over dt equals 60. So 60 many per day. When production is 1000 switches, so when x equals 1000, the rate of change of x with respect to time is 60. Then the question is find the rate of increase in cost when the production is 1000 switches per day. So what it's asking is the rate of increase of cost. So part A is asking for what is dc over dt. So what is that? It's telling us to take the derivative. Oh, sorry. Oh, yes, it is. So dc over dt. So what it tells us is take the derivative of the cost with respect to time. Okay, so we take a look at this function. We do not see any t variable, but we have x variable. So we just take derivative with respect to time on both sides. When we take derivative of a constant, we get 0. Okay, so here is 0. But when we take a derivative of 9x, we get 9. X is a function of time, so it's dx over dt. So that is 9 times what is the rate of x with respect to time? According to the given condition is 60. So it's $540 per day. That is the rate of increase in cost. Now part B is asking us what is the rate of increase of revenue? Okay, so dr over dt. We do the same thing again. We take the derivative with respect to t on both sides. So dr over dt equals 11 times dx over dt. Now, minus, okay, this, if you take a look, x squared over 2000. We take the derivative implicitly using the chain rule. So we take the derivative, okay, the over 2000 is a constant. So we leave it like this, okay, so 1 over 2000 times x squared, right? So derivative of x squared is 2x. But then because of chain rule, we get dx over dt. So this is a derivative for the revenue. Now in order to do the calculation, we just plug in the quantity. So it equals 11 times 60 minus 2 over 2000, right? Or you just plug in all the quantity. 2000, 1 over 2000 times 2 times x. What is x? 1000 according to the given condition. Okay, times dx over dt, which is 60. So what it is 11 times 60 minus 60. So it equals $600 per day. That is the rate of increase of the revenue. Now what is the rate of increase of the profit? So what is a profit? So we write down the relationship. Profit equals the revenue, how much you take in, subtract how much it costs you. And we don't need to any kind of derive the P of X at all, because we do know the rate of change of d over dt and dc over dt. So all we need to do is take the derivative of both sides. So dp over dt. So take the derivative with respect to time, same thing. Okay, so term by term, dr over dt minus dc over dt. We know d over dt is 600, and we know dc over dt is 540. So finally, the profit is $60 per day at production of 1,000 switches per day.